A turtle trying to make it back to the lake. It's looking for a place to lay its egg, it looks like. Yep, it is looking for a place to lay eggs. I haven't seen a turtle come up on land in years. They usually come up and dig in the grass and lay their eggs. This is the first time in a long time. Oh, and here are two baby ducks coming after it. They fall, oh, all four of them together again. Wow, here they are. And they are going in this direction, but this is the turtle. It's heading back to the water, I guess. And the, the ducks are going close to it. I'm not sure if it came out and I think it's heading back to the water. It laid eggs already somewhere. And the ducks are following it. Nature in my backyard. How lovely is this? I like this. It's nice to see a turtle. I used to see them all the time. See that the ducks are walking behind it as it head back to the water.